Okay, so here's the first part. All the mechanical bits I think that I need to 3D print and done up. Made up these mounts for the bearing blocks. These self-centering bearings are a little bit tight at the moment. I need to free them up so that this will slide in and out freely. Up this end, everything is mounted. I don't have this screwed down just right yet, so I can show you the bits underneath there. Somebody might notice that it was reversed the other time that I've shown you this. That's because the prop actually goes the other way. So I just flip the two mounts around, and that gives me the torque in the opposite direction. So I can flip that now either way that I want. There's the motion on there is nice and free. Here I've got the mounting point for the thrust strain gauge. I might need to adjust that positioning there, maybe move the holes a little bit closer once we get that. They're hopefully coming today, so I'll do another video once I get those and mount them up and show them working. Take this off because I wanted to show you these guys mounted under here. So they're the linear bearings that allow it to move. And yeah, I hopefully will have all the bits set up and programmed for testing next week. Yeah, like it's just a little bit, these bearings in here need to be recentered a bit. This one's nice and loose already, but this one needs to be freed up a bit. And I'm not sure if this is going to handle the torque. It should. We're looking at 0.7 Newton meters, but we'll see how that goes. I think that is everything for now, and I don't think I have to make any other parts. I'll let you know if I do. So stay tuned for the next one. I'm going to show you mounting of the thrust gauges and the torque gauge, and probably a bit of the calibration process there. And then we'll probably have one fully assembled. So hey, thanks for watching.